Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Today we will discuss professional image. Open your book because class is in session. Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. I'm your instructor, Charles Howard. First impressions are often the gateway to obtaining a job interview, getting new customers, or building a professional image. Barbers are often held to higher image standards by clients because they view barbers as image experts. In our daily routines, basic hygienic practices such as showering or bathing should never be omitted from daily personal care practices. This should be something done automatically. However, some of us have to be reminded. Some customers, in spite of their loyalty to your business, will not come back just because you do not smell good. They may tell others about it as well. Resting and relaxing along with nutrition have an effect on your health, appearance, personality, and performance on the job. Exercise and stress management can help keep you fit and help you relax. Let's talk about personal grooming, which is the process of caring for your body and making yourself look nice. Your clothes should be clean and neat, not just free of dirt, but stain free. This can be difficult to achieve in a busy barbershop. When you dress to go to a barbershop, be yourself. Just tune into the barbershop's culture. Time for a hair check. A haircut is an important part of personal grooming. Keeping up with the latest styles is essential. Now, every man should take care of his beard if he has one. Now, and maintaining a neat trimmed beard or mustache is important. Just like a smile, having and maintaining healthy skin can help you project a professional image. And ladies, this one's for you. Applying makeup at your station is unprofessional and advertises that you have poor time management skills. Now, I'm just saying. Today, we have discussed daily routines and why some customers may not return. We talked about personal grooming and why a haircut is an important part of that. Here is your assignment. Make sure that you watch Infection Control Principles and Practices and subscribe to the channel so that you are notified when a new video comes out. If you like this video, make sure that you like and share it. You can find us on Facebook and TikTok at Howard Brown Online. And if you would like more information about our Barber Boot Camp, visit our website at howardbrownonline.com. Remember that barbering starts in the book. Class dismissed.